It was a calm night at Azee's home. The moon rested above the rooftops, and a soft breeze moved the curtains gently. Azee lay in her bed, listening to quiet sounds from the house, feeling warm and safe beneath her blanket. Everything felt slow and peaceful. A small tap came from the window. Azee slowly sat up and looked closer. A tiny night bird rested on the sill. It was round and fluffy, with sleepy eyes blinking softly, as if the night itself had brought it gently. The bird did not make any noise. It shuffled once and stayed still. Azee opened the window slightly. The bird hopped inside and rested near her pillow, calm and unafraid as though it trusted the quiet of the room. Azee watched carefully. The bird's feathers looked tired and uneven. She lifted the corner of her blanket and placed it nearby. The bird moved closer and settled down, growing calm and quiet beside her. The room felt slower now. The clock ticked gently. Moonlight slid across the floor like soft water. Azee lay back and breathed slowly, matching the peaceful rhythm of the small visitor resting near her. After a while, the bird stood up and stretched its wings. It hopped back toward the window and paused, looking at Azee. Its eyes blinked once, slowly, before it flew out into the dark sky. Azee closed the window and returned to her pillow. Her body felt heavy and relaxed. She understood something simple without trying. When the night feels gentle, staying calm helps everything find rest. The house breathed softly around her. A fan hummed quietly. Outside, distant sounds faded away. Wrapped in warmth and silence, Azee stayed still. Sleep arrived on its own, steady and kind, and carried her peacefully through the night until morning light returned.
See you in the next story.